This week we were making the road a little safer place with our Smart Brake Lights project. The project is simple. Using an ADXL 345, we can determine when the bike rider is decelerating. This tells the LED strips to light up. We built it into a 3D case with epoxy to help make the system waterproof. It also mounts quite easily underneath the seat of a bicycle. Take a look and see how we built this project. We left rather large holes in the 3D print file to leave room, so an epoxy putty, and just a small amount, was a good way for us to seal up those holes before laying in our liquid epoxy. You can see there's two separate colors. You'll need to knead them for some time in order to get them the same color. Then simply place them down in the crevices between the LED strips and the edge of the 3D print and use a poker of some kind. The 5-minute epoxy that we're going to use is not going to seep very easily, so it doesn't need to be a perfect water seal. Once you've poured it in a small cup, stir the epoxy, and then apply it one layer at a time across the face. You may need to do this several times to achieve the desired effect. Once it is set, and you've given the time for the epoxy to actually set firmly, we'll switch to the appliance touch-up, which is a white paintbrush epoxy. It's very liquid, but it should cure in about 5 to 10 minutes as well. And in the outdoor setting that we were using, it was quite cold, so we used a heat gun to speed up the process of curing the epoxies. And again, you want it to be fully cured before you put this white layer on. And multiple layers of this will render a cleaner effect for you over your LEDs. Once we completed this though, we hit it with the heat gun again and put it into our electronics. The enclosure's design is a tight fit, but it looks clean and it fits perfectly on the back of a bicycle. And now if you're ever riding behind Ted at night, his smart brake light system will let you know when he's deciding to stop. Let us know if you build smart brake lights. And until next week, happy hacking.